Hello everyone. I was asked to do a sample of a pour to see if maybe this would be something that a buyer wanted to purchase. I wasn't going to video it because I was just going to do one, and it came out so good I decided I had to do the video to do the rest of them. I will show you the first one once I get done with the video because I need to take the camera down to show you. So let me get started. I'm going to go ahead and tell you what my colors are. So my base color is going to be just a white, just acrylic flow, Artist Loft acrylic flow white. And then I'm going to be using, of course, my 24 karat gold as the next color. Then I have the Arteza Phthalo blue. So I will be using that. Let's see. It's not in focus. Okay, I can't get it to focus in, but it's Arteza, their Phthalo blue. And then I'll be just putting the Amsterdam titanium white on top of that. So let's get started so that we can see how these come out, because the first one came out great. So let's see what happens. And I don't have that much of the phthalo blue, so hopefully it works out perfectly. So I would have to mix some more of it up. And you know that 24 karat gold is such a color that kind of takes over. I forgot my blue here. Hopefully I have enough. Let's pray that I have enough. Try to get it on all of them before I even try to put too much of it. Looks like we're in luck, guys. Look like I'm gonna have enough. Okay. So it worked out. I did have enough. Go ahead and put that titanium white on top. And then looks like I have a little bit of bubbles. I'm gonna torch those bubbles. And then I'll blow it out. And let's see what we get. I don't even know why I thought of not doing the video. I just was going to do it right quick. And then I was like, oh my God. Or, well, oh gosh. I was like, this is nice. So I have to do this on video. Let me do some more. And I'm going to do it on video. Because I was going to just do one of them. And then I said, let me go ahead and do all of them. And just do it on video. Okay. Let's see what we got, you guys. I see this first one up here is rolling. Let's try to catch it. Let's see. Knocked a good bit of paint off there. I should have stopped blowing that one, but it may come out nice. All right. Look like we did get a good outcome. Oh, yes. Those are nice. This one, I should have left it alone after I blew it the first time. But, oh, well, it looks like it's turning out nice. I really, really like that one. That one's really, really nice. Yeah, they're coming out nice. I really, really, really like those. Anything gold is always my favorite. I'm going to have to get out of that. I love that gold. Okay, you guys, I'm going to bring you back in just a moment. Okay, you guys, here we go. This is the very first one that I did not do on camera. And that's what made me put it on camera. Look at that. This design right here, I don't know what creates that look, but I had it on some other coasters and I just loved it and I never could get it back again. And someone wanted to see a repeat of a coaster that I did. They wanted to see if I could remake it. But you know, with this acrylic paint, you don't know what the outcomes are going to be. But I love that. That reminds me of one of the other ones I've did. Okay, now this was the second one. It had a different design before I blew it again. Looks like it was going to be more like this one here. Now that one I absolutely love. I think it is gorgeous. I like the way it crossed the tile, so I love it. And then this one is the third one. I love that one too. All of them are nice. I love all of them. So that was just a quick pour. And hopefully the buyer will like this and purchase this set. They wanted to get it as a gift for a coworker. So hopefully it will be purchased. I absolutely love it. Can't wait for it to dry and for it to get resin. I will be doing some more video, you guys. I have lots of videos coming up. I'm going to try to get a canvas in there at some point. I just love doing these coasters because they're so easy and they're so small. So it's easy to keep up with them. It's easy to put them up. So I don't have problems with space-wise because the coasters don't take up that much space. But the canvases take up a lot of space. So I'm going to do better with that. I'm going to bring some more canvases and do some more canvases paintings. I have to do that. But I will be posting some more videos very soon. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that bell so that you will be able to get my future videos, any that I have that come out. It'll show you the newest videos. Also, if you like the video, please give me that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And thank you so much, you guys. Until the next video.